Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a power of attorney. This crucial document allows someone to act on your behalf, and proper notarization ensures its legal validity. We will walk through the easy method, covering everything from preparing your document to understanding the notary's role. By the end, you will feel confident in completing this important process correctly and efficiently, typically taking less than 15 minutes. Before meeting the notary, ensure your power of attorney document is entirely filled out, but do not sign it yet. Both the principal, who grants authority, and the agent, who receives it, must be physically present. Each person will need to present a valid, unexpired government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport, to the notary for identity verification. Once identities are verified, the notary will instruct you to sign the power of attorney document in their direct presence. This is a critical step to confirm your signature is authentic. The notary will then complete their official notarial certificate, which includes details like the date, location, and type of notarial act performed. This certificate is typically affixed directly to your document. After completing the certificate, the notary will apply their official stamp or seal, making the document legally binding. Once notarized, it is highly recommended to make at least 2 or 3 copies for your records and for the agent. Always store the original power of attorney in a safe, accessible, and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure digital vault, for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.